Boys, this is just a quick video there, quick update on the KENWOOD TS-940S. And basically, I've been working on the AVR board, trying to get my way through it. And so far, out of the rear panel, out of the AVR board, so far we've come up with this many parts that have been completely shorted or destroyed. So we have two of the power transistors that were on the back of the radio were shorted. We've got this 2SB861 transistor was shorted. We've got this Zener diode here shorted. And we have a 15 meg power resistor. 15 mega ohm power resistor. And it's been reduced to 15 ohms. 15 ohms. It's quite interesting how a 15 meg ohm resistor can be reduced to 15 ohms. It's crazy. So that resistor was here, R9, and as you can see, is marked 15M, 15 meg ohm. And it's been reduced to 15 ohms, which is nuts. So basically what's going on, we've got QR3 was shorted. It's cut off here, I think it's Q102, I believe it is. Q103 or 104, one of it. So 103 is getting supplied voltage, but it's not going anywhere. It's not going off the emitter. And the same thing for Q104 down here. It's also got voltage going to it, nothing coming out of it. So the voltage regulator down here, the 5-volt regulator, ain't getting any voltage. So yeah, there's a bunch of circuitry here that to the main radio that's not getting any voltage because these voltage rails here have failed. And all of that is sitting right here. 3 of these transistors. You got the 5-volt regulator, which is right here. I did test that. The regulator's fine. But these two daddy-os here are doing nothing. Voltage in, nothing out. So it's interesting. The diodes on the bridge rectifier appear to be fine. These two diodes appear to be fine, although the two caps here need to be changed. They're a bit toasty looking. I replace the capacitor here with another 50 volt 2200 UF cap. So I'm thinking that if I replace the transistors back here, that now this board may actually have a chance to power up. I'm hoping. I don't know for sure, but we're hoping. Because this board section that's affected here, you got the control board is affected, you got the LCD display is affected. There's 3 major parts of the radio that's powered by this one section. So yeah, if the LCD display gets no power right here, you know it's not going to power up. The control board is not going to power up. Nothing's going to power up. The AVR board is toast. The rest of the radio is toast. It can't function. So that's where we are right now. So we got a bunch of connections here to put back on once I get these transistors back here replaced. But I just figured I would throw up this video just to give you an idea where I'm to with it. Just waiting for the transistors. But right now, these guys right here have completely failed. So it's going to be interesting to see what else has failed once the new parts gets installed. But as it sits right now, there are no more short circuits on the AVR board. All the short circuits have been removed now. So technically this should work. But we still got a bunch of transistors here. There's 2 there. We got 2 there. Another one there. So we still got a few transistors, smaller ones here. They could be bad, but I'm not sure until I power up and see what the board is doing. And again, remember the PA board back here is a dead short because you got the power connection here and here. Just the main feeders, the PA. 2 of these are shorted completely, so they will not be connected together. They will not be connected to the AVR board once it gets this done. But there we have it. That's the KENWOOD TS-940S. Just an update video. Let's see if I can get more work done on this now the weekend. The transistors will be here tomorrow evening, so hopefully we'll make some life out of this tomorrow. But we'll see. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. All the best, and look for another video later. All the best.